Welcome to Edupedia World. In this video, we will discuss about arithmetic mean in some special conditions. Arithmetic mean in special conditions. The calculation process of mean is different under some special circumstances. Let us discuss these special cases one by one. Let's start with the first case, that is in case of cumulative frequency distribution. When the data is given in the form of less than or more than for all items in the series, it is called cumulative frequency distribution. To calculate the arithmetic mean, such cumulative frequency distribution has to be converted into a simple frequency distribution. Let us understand this with the help of a following illustration. We have to find out the arithmetic mean using direct method from the following table. A cumulative frequency distribution should first be converted into a simple frequency distribution. As you can see in the table, we have made two columns, first of marks and second of number of students. In the column of marks, we have written 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on in place of less than 10, less than 20. In the second column of number of students, cumulative frequencies are given. So we will make it in simple frequency. First we will write 5 in the first row. After that we will deduct 5 from 12. We will get 7 in the second row. In third row we will deduct 12 from 30. We will get 18. This is how we will calculate a particular frequency for a particular class interval. After that, the mean value of data is obtained by using direct method. To calculate mean under direct method, we have to make a table of 4 columns. In the first column, we will write marks, which is denoted by letter X. In that, we will write class intervals, which are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. In the second column, we will write mid values, which we will get by adding L1 plus L2, which are lower class interval and upper class interval, divided by 2. By applying this formula, we will get the mid values, that are 5, 15, 25 and so on. In the third column, we will write the frequency, which is denoted by letter F. We have calculated it in our first table, that is 5, 7, 18, 15 and so on. In the fourth column, we will write the product of F and M, that is FM, 25, 105, 450 and so on. After adding FM, we will get sigma FM, which is 1330. So now we will calculate arithmetic mean under direct method. Formula is arithmetic mean of the series equals to sigma FM divided by sigma F, that is 1330 divided by 50. We will get 26.6, which is our arithmetic mean. This is how we will calculate arithmetic mean under direct method. Next special condition is arithmetic mean in a mid-value series. When mid-values are given, then series is to be converted into exclusive series, that is class intervals are to be formed on the basis of exclusive method. Methods of finding class intervals when mid-values are given. Let us understand this with the help of following illustration. We have to calculate mean mark from the following table. In this table, mid-values are given and number of students are given. As in the question, mid-values are already given, the calculation of arithmetic mean involves the same procedure as in the case of exclusive series. We will make a table of 3 columns. In the first column, we will write the mid values, which is already given in the question. In the second column, we will write number of students, which is already given in the question. In the third column, we will write FM, which is a product of frequency and mid values, that is 25, 70, 135 and so on. After adding it, we will get sigma FM, which is 810. Now we will write the formula, that is arithmetic mean of the series equals to sigma FM divided by sigma F, that is 810 divided by 45, we will get 18. So arithmetic mean is equals to 18 marks. This is how we will calculate arithmetic mean in mid-value series. Next special condition is inclusive series. We have to find out arithmetic mean in case of inclusive series. When inclusive series is given, we need to convert it into exclusive series. Then the arithmetic mean of the regular class interval or series is calculated according to the method asked in the question. Let us understand this with the help of a following illustration. The following table shows monthly wage rate of workers in a factory. We have to find out the average wage rate with the help of the data given. Calculation of arithmetic mean of inclusive series is done after converting it into exclusive series. First, we will make a table of 6 columns. In the first column, we will write wage rate, which is in exclusive series, that is 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, and so on. In the second column, we will calculate mid values by adding lower class interval plus upper class interval divided by 2, which is 24.5, 34.5, and so on. In the third column, we will write frequency, which is already given in the question. In the fourth column, we will write deviation, which we will get by deducting assumed means from mid values. In this particular illustration, we have taken assumed means equals to 44.5. So we will deduct assumed mean from mid values and we will get minus 20, minus 10, 0, and so on. In the fifth column, we will write step deviation, which we will get by dividing deviation from class interval. In this particular illustration, we have taken C equals to 10. So we will divide deviation, that is minus 20 divided by 10, we will get minus 2, and this is how we will get step deviation, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and so on. In the last column, we will get the product of frequency and D dash, that is FD dash, minus 40, minus 10, 0, and so on. After calculating it, we will get sigma FD dash. Now we will use the formula, that is arithmetic mean of the series equal to assumed means plus sigma FD dash divided by sigma F multiplied by class interval. In place of assumed means, we will write 44.5 plus sigma FD dash we got minus 36, sigma F we got 45, and class interval is 10. After putting of the values, we will get 36.5. Thus, arithmetic mean equals to rupees 36.5. This is how we will calculate arithmetic mean in inclusive series. Next special condition is calculation of arithmetic mean in case of open-end class intervals. Open-end class intervals are those intervals where the lower limit of the first class interval and the upper limit of the last class interval are not given. We need to adjust the classes in such a way that regular class intervals are obtained. Then arithmetic mean of the series is calculated according to the method asked in the question. Let us understand this with the help of a following illustration. We have to calculate arithmetic mean of the following data by direct method. For calculating arithmetic mean by direct method, we have to make a table of 4 columns. In the first column, we will write marks, which is denoted by letter X. In place of below 20, we will write 0 to 20, after that 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100 in place of 80 and above, as we can see that the class interval is of 20 marks each. In the second column, we will write mid values, which is denoted by M. We will get mid values by using the formula as we have discussed earlier, that is lower class interval plus upper class interval divided by 2, that is in the first row 0 plus 20 divided by 2 we will get 10. This is how we will calculate mid values. In the third column, we will write number of students that is given in the question. In the last column, we will write the product of frequency and mid values, that is FM. which will get 20, 30, 200, 140 and 90. After adding all the values of the product, we will get sigma Fm, that is 480. To calculate the arithmetic mean, we will use the formula, that is arithmetic mean of the series equals to sigma Fm divided by sigma F, that is 480 divided by 10, we will get 48. So arithmetic mean of the question will be 48. Next special condition is calculation of arithmetic mean in unequal class intervals. Sometimes the class intervals of frequency distribution are unequal. In such cases, arithmetic mean is calculated in the usual manner. We find mid-values and find arithmetic mean as it is done in case of continuous series. Let us understand this with the help of a following illustration. We have to find out the arithmetic mean by direct method. For calculating arithmetic mean by direct method, we will make a table of 4 columns. In the first column, we will write x, that is given in the question, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40 and 40 to 70. In the second column, we will write mid values, which is denoted by m, and we will use the same formula as we have discussed earlier, that is lower class interval plus upper class interval divided by 2. We will get 5, 15, 30 and 55. In the third column, we will write the frequency which is given in the question. By adding up, we will get sigma f, which is 20. In the last column, we will write the product of f, m. F is frequency, m is the mid value. We will get 20, 120, 150 and 165. After adding up, we will get sigma Fm, which is 455. To calculate arithmetic mean by direct method, we will use the formula, that is arithmetic mean of the series is equal to sigma Fm divided by sigma F, which is 455 divided by 20. We will get 22.75, which is our arithmetic mean. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.